Hi folks, it's Moz here, and on the workbench today I have received the Airfix Club membership pack for 2024. And I'm going to go through what comes in the box and discuss the membership and the perks you get for being an Airfix Club member. So every year Airfix announce their membership package, and you have to be a member of the Airfix Club to use the flying hours on the side of the box. It's one of the perks, so whenever you buy a kit, on the side will be a flying hours token, and you can use these tokens to buy certain kits from the Airfix range. But this year it's a little bit different to last year, and I'm going to explain why. But first I want to go through the box and let's see what comes in the big red box that we get being an Airfix Club member. If you're an Airfix Club member, you'll recognise this box. Every year we get the same kind of box. It's basically got the big label on the front saying Airfix Club. The red box contains like the sprues that you see on the edge of an Airfix kit release. So it's very similar in that respect. It's quite a big box, and inside you get an exclusive kit. So let's open the box and let's see. So inside we open up, and this year, because it's D-Day year, you know, they're going to be remembering D-Day throughout the country. They've launched this limited edition 1/72 scale D-Day duel. So you're going to get the Hawker Typhoon Mark 1B with the Northern Rhodesian Squadron Royal Air Force scheme, number 245. And you'll also be getting a Supermarine Spitfire PR19 numbers 541 Squadron Royal Air Force Benson, Oxfordshire, England, 1944. So both of these 1944. So you can see they've got the invasion stripes, which you would have seen on the planes as they were going over France. So put that to one side, we'll have a look at this in a bit. Same as last year, you will get your Airfix Club membership badge. I've got 3 of these now, I believe, hanging around here somewhere. So you get your Airfix enamel pin badge. You get your remove before assembly flight tag, which these are cool. I've got these on my keyring, on my keys, on my car keys. I've had it for quite a while. You get the Airfix Club stickers as standard. You also get in the kit the Airfix Club Flying Hours Passport, which is where you put your flying hours tokens that you find on the side of the box when you buy a kit. And they have on the back here the flying hours guide, and it tells you basically what you can get with the flying hours. So the amount of tokens for a Series 1 or Series 2 kit is 16 tokens, 30 for a 3 or 4, 40 tokens for a Series 5 or 6, and 60 tokens from Series 7 to 9. So, for example, an 02005 is a Series 2 kit, and a 06280 is a Series 6 kit. So you can see they explain to you how to do it. And they do say that when you send these in, you can either pay by check, postal order, or you can phone in once they've received the flying hours to pay by credit or debit card. Because sometimes kits are out of stock, you have 3 choices and you will get one of the 3. Okay, it's really simple. It's been around for years. Does it need updating? Maybe, but it's something that you can use to gain an extra free kit by collecting the flying hours. You also get your Eat, Sleep, Airfix, Repeat, and if you've seen mine, I've had mine on the wall for years. You've seen in my videos, and so this one's a little bit updated. It was Keep Calm and Build Airfix, so this year is Eat, Sleep, Airfix, Repeat on this particular poster. You get your welcoming letter with this kit as well, with this box as well. It's official, you're part of the Airfix Club. By signing up, you have opened the door to a world brimming with exclusive Airfix perks, and join the community full of like-minded people. Whether you're a beginning or a seasoned modeler, we are delighted to welcome you to the Airfix Club. And there again, it's telling you exactly what you get inside the box. And the membership also entitles you to an immediate 10% discounts off all Airfix kits. So if you go into your Airfix login, you'll also get your Hornby hobby points as well. But as soon as you buy a kit, it comes up with a 10% discount. You have to do nothing, no code, no nothing. It just comes up automatically, and it does work because I've bought lots of kits off Airfix. You get exclusive products and news, 3 club magazines per year, annual wall calendar, competitions, and members only experiences. And you will find details of the above benefits in your members area at airfix.com. Hi folks, sorry for this interlude. When I did the video, according by the wording of the website, I was assuming that the magazines would be digital downloads only, but that's not true. I've just had a chat with Dale, and they're going to be physical. So you'll be getting 3 physical magazines through the post throughout the year. You'll also get a physical calendar. So I've added this in. So the information is actually wrong, but I felt that I had to take the video down and re-upload it so that you get the facts. So my bad. I looked at the website, it said digital perks, and it said 3 magazines. But that takes nothing away from this video. I still think that for me, the Airfix Club is a valuable thing to have for me, with the 10% off the kits and everything you get inside the box. And you also get physical magazines, and also the option to download them digitally to your iPad or your favoured device. That's it. Carry on. So one of the big changes this year for the Airfix Club, not just necessarily a different limited edition kit you get inside the box, you used to get 3 magazines a year delivered to your door. Now this year they've got rid of the physical. You're only going to be able to get it as a digital download. For me, that's fine. I've got an iPad. I read on my iPad, or I can read it on the laptop or my MacBook, for instance. But yes, there is a difference there. So you're not going to be getting anything physical through the post. The one thing I have not heard is the calendar. I'm not sure whether you're going to be getting a calendar physically at Christmas in this year. So like in 2003, we signed up in the January. In the December, we got a magazine, and we also got the calendar. I'm open to all ears. I'm not too sure where we lie with this, but I really do hope, out of everything, that Airfix do send out the calendar for the members. If they don't, I'm a little bit unsure about keeping the price at £35, just saying. But the stuff you get in the box is brilliant. The kits, as I said, are limited edition, so they're going to get 2 special schemes that you can't buy anywhere unless they have loads of stock and they put them in their outlet sales that they have every so often. But the idea is these kits are not for sale this year. They may release, these toolings are box standard toolings, but they have special schemes that come for limited edition. Take that for what you will, but yeah, I do really hope that Airfix do come back to us with a physical calendar. So if you're watching Airfix, don't disappoint. Right then, so now it's time to have a look inside this limited edition Airfix Club 1/72 scale D-Day Duel. So you're getting 2 kits in here, the Hawker Typhoon and the Spitfire. So it's basically 2 models with 2 decals sets inside, and you can spray them up, and yeah, they're celebrating D-Day this year. Okay, side of the box this time, there you go, there's the call out there just saying exactly what you're getting inside. So Hawker Typhoon Mark 1B and a Spitfire, Supermarine Spitfire PR19. It's a skill level 1. And you'll notice a missing flying hour. Oh, the irony. No flying hours on this kit, in this box anyway. Again, you got the box art again on the side, this side as well. And then you have your warnings on here. And because it's limited edition, special edition and everything, the code is an A73016. Again, cartograph decals inside. So, top opening box. And you get 1 bag of sprues, or 1 bag of sprues, and one instructions in a little booklet, and there we have the schemes. So decal time, let's have a little look. Again, cartograph. What can we say? They're just absolutely fantastic. They do exactly what they say on the tin. Again, cartograph, you can't diss it. They are very, very good. One of the best choices that Airfix ever done was to go down the cartograph route. Very nice and crisp, you know, all registered all correctly. A few bits of stencil there, you can see a little bit of stencil down there as well. Because it's D-Day, you're going to get the option there of having decals for the invasion stripes, but obviously you have the choice of doing them freehand if you so wish with an airbrush or with your hairy stick. Right, onto the instructions. I'm not going to go in depth with them, just going to have a quick look through, a quick flick through, just to show you what happens when they put two kits together. They combine them into one booklet. So you're starting off, if you so wish, cracking on with building the Typhoon up. It's a lovely build, by the way. If you've not built one, go and buy one, or become an Airfix club member and you can build this one. Let's look at the schemes quickly. So there's the scheme for the Typhoon. Again, invasion stripes. And you need 7 colours for that one. Over the page, you're starting on the Spitfire PR19. And this one here, you're doing the internals of the cockpit and the prop at the same time as putting the fuselage together. 3-piece wings on this one. Again, altogether there's only 10 steps for this one. And then we'll look at the call out for the Spitfire here. So you are going for Sprue blue. So you need 4 colours for this one. Silver, matte yellow, matte black and Sprue blue, and that's it. And then you've got all the stencils there and all the markings that you need. So that's basically the instructions. And then you have the pieces. I'm not going to take these out of the bag. I'm going to keep them in for this one. I'm not going to open them, but as you can see, they're pretty good tooling. There'll be very minimal flash on this. They go together quite well. There's videos out there on YouTube where you can see them built. But as I said, I just wanted to show you what was inside the box. Right, it's time to summarise about this membership pack that you get for becoming an Airfix Club member. I'm basing this on the UK edition, so it's going to cost you £35 to become a member. With that membership, you will get your Airfix Club kit, which is worth 24 quid of its own money because there are 2 kits in there, and to buy these kits singly with different schemes, obviously, they're around £11.99 each. So there's £24 worth of value there in this limited edition run kit. You get your remove before assembly flight tag. Now I've been to museums and I've seen these, not Airfix ones, but this sort of gift, selling from between £4 and £6. So if we just take a medium and say that's worth a £5, already you're up to £29. The Airfix Club badge, that's £3.50, £4 of anyone's money. That's 33 quid. Also, I didn't pay any postage on this. This came free postage. So, you know, that aside, you know, what's the minimum now? £3.95 to ship something from Airfix. So that's also included in the price. You get the passport, which allows you to collect the flying hours that you then send in to get free kits off Airfix. I know a lot of people say it's very old-fashioned, but remember, flying hours do not go out of date. If you've got kits from the 70s, 80s, the ones that have got the propellers on, you know, all those different ones, they are still worth money. So if you do have an Airfix kit, you can cut the token out and put that towards one of the series kits that they have, and the more tokens you send in, the better the kit. The 10% for me is what makes it worth my while, because whenever I'm ordering a kit, I'm going to get that 10% off. So if I spend 40 quid, I'm going to get £4 off. You also will be able to collect your Hornby hobby points as well, so that's a bonus, but you get them anyway whether you are a member of Airfix Club or not. But you can see that there's a lot of benefits involved. So if you are getting your 10% off, you're also going to get the hobby points as well. My little irk, and I understand it doesn't really affect me, but I know there's a lot of people who enjoy a physical magazine. So from last year to this year, they have decided to get rid of the physical and just put it as a digital download only, but you can only receive them if you are a member. So yeah, you go into the members area and they will give you a link to click on, and then comes the magazine. I really do hope they haven't decided to get rid of the physical Airfix calendar. I've had the last 5 years, I've got 4 or 5 years, or is it 4 years, I think it is, up on my wall there. And I every month I change it and I get a different picture. I really feel that would be really a sad day if they get rid of that physical calendar. But even so, a calendar like that must be worth a £5 as well. So there you go, some more value in the membership pack that you get. I know you have to pay for these, but I collect them. I collect the Airfix coins. This one's one of the limited edition Airfix Club one. I think I've got number 26 out of 250. So you, as a club member, you can order, when they do them, these limited edition coins to add to your collection. They also have competitions running throughout the year. You'll get an email to say jump onto the members area, and you have the opportunity of winning kits. They also have discounts for members experiences or member only experiences, and I think that they're going to be doing more of them this year. I've talked to Airfix about these before, and they said that they are planning more member only experiences. But at the end of the day, when it comes to club membership, it's all about the person. It's all about you. Would you gain anything from this membership? For me personally, it's a 10%. It's the flying hours. Though if you don't become a member, do please give those flying hours to Models for Heroes, who are very much supported by Airfix. But you can see as I speak that there are benefits. You are getting, I believe, very good value for money from being a member of the Airfix Club. To me, it's a no-brainer. I would love it if they offered exclusivity to Airfix Club members, where they can pre-order a kit and they would be one of the first to get hold of them, even if that means you have to pay a little bit extra on the postage. I would love that. That would really suit me down to the ground. But yeah, at the end of the day, this is your choice. I'm saying it as a positive for me because of what I'm gaining from it. The choice ultimately is yours, and I think that's all I've really got to say about it. But anyways, if you haven't yet, please go over to my Substack. I write weekly articles there. Huge shout out to my channel members who financially help this channel. If you'd like to become a member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. If you like the video, please click like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Ring that bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. If you want to see last year's Airfix Club membership to compare, I'll leave a link here, and I'll leave a link over here on a playlist of my kit reviews.